Alright, well, since I'm waiting on an Uber, I'm just gonna go ahead and film some more stuff around here. It's like this store is like electronics and things. 3-in-1 chess set. I've been looking for a good chess set too. And come on, man. All right. 2 minutes till the Uber gets here. So there's a little playground for kids, and I ain't gonna go up today. But up on the upside is like a little sitting area where you can go sit and chill, smoke area. Real cool place. And remember, I'll be here on the 3rd to shoot the Whats Poppin Melville. Oh, that poor baby. And here's one of the bookstores. Let me see. All right, they got Michelle Obama. I don't think they have too many Americans. Hey, how you doing? Flag.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going? Not any books that I'm looking for particularly right now. But I do want to end up reading some African readers. Look at this. Oh, he looks like TJ. And then also with I have a lot of children books. So I think I'm gonna find a way to get the 2 books Chantel made, her last 2 books that was for kids, and see if I can get those printed and maybe get them into some bookstores here. Have a good day. Okay, Uber's here. Let's go meet up with him.